we still can bless somebody. Guys, I don't have it, I tile it, I clean in America for your living, I clean people. DD, I clean people. PP, I clean behind people. I map up. That's what I do in America for a living. And that not stop me from doing good.
Stay tuned. And most of all, Mannix Robinson. Yeah, man. So, I was showing you what I go on with Mannix Robinson. You hear that? Him go on with that thing. I'm going to expose him right now. Watch what I go on.
Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in one more time, guys. Really appreciate your guys' continued support. So, you already saw the thumbnail and you saw the introduction and you're very curious of what is this video all about. This was going on. The other day, I was home and it was like around 3 to 4 a.m. I was up and I just jumped on YouTube, and out of the blues I saw this video pop up and I said let me check it out. So I click on the video and I watch it. It was a Rasta youth in Jamaica washing his mom here, who is also a Rasta. So I looked down at the bottom and I saw the name of the channel. I was there watching the youth, how the youth was washing his mother here. And guys, tears start coming my eyes. Tears start coming my eyes. The video captivated me so much, guys. I didn't even finish watch the video, guys. And I went into his description and I saw he had a phone number. I jotted down the phone number and immediately I called the bro. I sent him a message to ask him, can I give you a call? And he sent back and said, yeah man, you can give me a call. So I called him and I said, bro, I was just watching your video, man, and bro, your video with what you're doing for your mother touch me heart, bro. Touch me heart. You see it, and I know, and I said it to him, and I know what you're doing, you're not doing it for you too, because I can see the genuine love and respect that you have for your mother within the video where they do. I don't know, I'm pretending that, and I feel it. I feel it to my heart, bro. I feel it to my heart. I'm saying, me there to talk to you right now, me a cry, tear waters there, my eye, if you see how the way, you treat your mother with love and respect. To him, I say, me ship out some stuff for Jamaica, and mother want give you some stuff for your mother, but right now, my father was a Rasta, and I know that certain stuff my father then using here, me no really have no items in there which me know say your mother would have used, because me can see say you guys is a Rasta family, Rasta tradition thing, and because me know how the thing set, me no want violate or disrespect you or anything. So guess what? Me I go pick up some natural products to your mother. And that me can do, you see, because me already ship out some stuff at Jamaica. And him say, yeah man, no problem, Mr. Mannix. Bro, I really appreciate that, man. Bam, yeah man, thank you. And guys, me supposed to fly out this Saturday. Me not even telling him me I come to Jamaica. Me just tell him say, me I go pick up some stuff for your mother. And me I go make you get them by any means necessary. Give me till Wednesday. I didn't tell him say, traveling to Jamaica. Me don't go up on the street and go shopping for some products which me know say, your mother can use. You see, this is 1 day before me fly out, guys. Not even 1 day, couple hours before me fly out. Suitcase packed with items that me and my wife came together to give away in Jamaica. And I went to the supermarket and I pick up some stuff. And guys, majority of the products I pick up, them over £1. Them heavy. And my suitcase already the clock at £50. Me even screenshot them and show him and say, what you think about this? He say, yeah man. He say, what you think about this? He say, yeah man. He say, what you think about this? He say, yeah man. I pick up some more items and bring them home. Guys, put them in a suitcase go over £50. Suitcase the clock almost £60. I say, Father God, I want this. So I say, a promise is a promise, I promise a thing to the mother. I say, me I go do it, guys. Me go in my suitcase and take out some of my stuff them. Take out some little food stuff for me having in my suitcase and take out some clothes and say, the man have to get them something here for your mother. This is Friday, you know, guys. I'm flying out Saturday morning. Adjust the weight of the suitcase. Take out what we take out. Pack in what we pack in. And guys, touchdown in Jamaica. Call him and say, yo, bro. That time Mackie not even know say me in Jamaica. Call him. I didn't even tell him, say, yo, bro, I'm in Jamaica. I only told him, say, yo, you go get this stuff them by Wednesday. Reach home. Take out what we take out. Get a box. Start packaging up. Head to Northfoot Express. Pay for shipping and everything and send off here and call him and say, yo, this is the code for the stuff them send off. So just keep an eye on it. Him get the stuff them and he make a video and say, yo, bro. He say, yo, Mr. Manix, respect, you know. He say, respect. And I say, yo, I saw the thing go because, yo, I see the love we have for you, man. And I say, yo, out of the liquor what we have, we still can bless somebody. Guys, I don't have it, you know. Tile it, I clean in America for your living, you know. Tile it, I clean, tile it. Tile it, I clean in America. I clean people. DD, I clean people. PP, I clean behind people. I map up, I map up, I wipe up, I vacuum. That's what I do in America for a living. And that not stop me from doing good. And out of the little that God give me, out of the little what me work from the job that I do, bless up me, bless a family, bless a lady. You see it? And I know say the brother appreciate the thing what me do. And God and blessing and prosperity upon him and his family and his mother. You see it? Guys, sometimes we are waiting on the big move or the big money or when we think so we reach at the top we do good. Yo, sometimes we have to do good out of the little what we have. We have to do little. We have to start do good out of the little what we have. Don't wait in when the big money come. Because some of us we're not gonna get the big money. Some of us a lot of us we're gonna dead poor. You see it, out of the little what we have. If we are not faithful in the little, how can we be faithful in the much? You see it. But Mackie, bless up yourself, bro. I saw the thing go. You know, I love to see how you love your mother and the way you take care of your mother and the way you treat your mother. And for see the patience what you have with your mother, if you know, so you could have be there if you wash your mother hair and all of them the stuff there. And I know within myself say I don't pretend you weren't pretending, bro. It was genuineness and yo, don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. The man that honor his mother and his father, his days will be long on the earth, man. Just keep on doing the good work, bro. You see it? Keep on doing the good work. Father God, I see what you are do, bro. You see it? Father God, see what you are do. And don't get weary in well doing. Don't get weary in well doing. Bless up yourself, Mackie Lifestyle. You see it? Much love, much respect to you. Much love, much respect to us, so to your mama, you know. Blessing and prosperity to us, so long life, healing and prosperity in our latter days. You see it? Keep on doing the good thing, bro. That's how we do it. Alright? So guys, thanks for tuning in one more time to the channel. That's how we do it. Guys, I know that some of us, you know, a lot of us say we want to do good and we're waiting until when you know, some of us are waiting on the right time. There will never be a right time, man. There will never be a right time. If you are waiting for the right time, that right time will never come. The moment is now. You see it. If you can't give a man a piece of bread, give a man a piece of bread. If you can't give a man a shoes, give a man a pair of shoes. If you can't give a man a shirt, give a man a shirt. If you can't give a man a toothpaste or a deodorant, yo, give a man. If you can't give a man a dollar, give a man a dollar. You see it? Because sometimes we wait for the big whack or the big lion share if it come. And a lot of us are going dead before the lion share come. Believe me. Serious thing. Alright? So guys, thanks again for tuning in one more time to the channel. Mackie, bless up yourself. Guys, check out this channel. Check out this channel, guys. Go over there, show him some support. Tell him that Manix Robinson sent you. I would really appreciate it. Alright? Have yourself a blessed one. And guys, keep on watching the channel. We have a lot of contents getting ready to push out. Alright, stay tuned for more to come. Peace and love, blessing and prosperity from Mannix Robinson TV and the Mannix Robinson TV family. Much love and respect every time. Bye bye.
Yeah, man, so I show no what go on with Mannix Robinson. You hear that? Him go on with that thing. I'm going to expose him right now. Watch what go on. Yeah, me peep, so Mannix Robinson, you know. One day, me down me yard and the man call me after 4. Man say, what time I'm eye after I'm done watch my video. Me I watch my mom here, you know. And man say, boy, Rasta, that touch me deep. So I say, boy, I want to donate some ear products to her, you know. So this is it right now, you know. Him send the package, and I went and I collected it. So now I'm gonna unbox it and let you see what's popping. Yeah, man, that is it. Yes, my people. So this is first one is a Garner whole blends coconut oil and cocoa butter and smoothing shampoo. You see me? Yeah, man. This is one. This is another cocoa butter and body lotion. A nice one again. Put them down so. And then a toothpaste. You don't know, a crest, baking soda whitening. See me? It's a nice shea butter soap, you see me? Nice shea butter soap. Over here so now. Milk and honey. Gentle body wash. You see it? It's a blue magic coconut oil air conditioner. See it there. Last but not least, the conditioner for the shampoo. Same whole blends, you know? Yeah, man. So that is it. The box is empty. I want to say give thanks to all the products. Yeah, man, I want to say give thanks to all the products that you sent to me. So, Mannix Robinson, big up yourself. One love. And don't know, give thanks to none. Sorry if make water come my eye and I see me do them thing there, but yeah, them thing they're natural, you see me? Yeah, man, the thing they're natural for me every day, right? Last time I came out down here and I kiss her up on her jaw for 10 times and I sleep. I'm gonna say, oh, this and here I know. Milk time. I'm gonna say, sure. She say, yes, I see you. I saw you. And her eyes are open, you know? And she has smile in her sleep, just a laugh. It just want my heart to feel so good, you know?
Thank you very much for all these things. God bless you.